Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind this is my personal experience using the product service. In this video, we're taking a look at Regions Bank, specifically their website, regions.com. Navigating the world of financial institutions can be tricky, so let's explore what Regions has to offer and see if it might be a good fit for your banking needs. Regions.com presents a clean and modern interface, designed for easy navigation. The homepage prominently features key services like personal banking, business banking, wealth management, and mortgage lending. You'll find quick access to resources like loan calculators, interest rates, and branched ATM locators. This upfront approach helps users quickly find the information they need without having to dig through multiple pages. One of the first things you'll likely notice is the emphasis on digital banking. Regions promotes its online and mobile banking options, highlighting features like mobile check deposit, bill pay, and account alerts. This focus on digital convenience caters to today's fast-paced lifestyle, where managing finances on the go is essential. Beyond the typical banking services, Regions also offers resources for financial planning and education. They provide articles and tools to help customers with budgeting, saving, investing, and retirement planning. This commitment to financial literacy demonstrates a dedication to empowering customers and helping them achieve their financial goals. While exploring the website, it's clear that Regions attempts to cater to a wide range of customers, from individuals and families to businesses and corporations. The site is structured to provide tailored information based on your specific needs. For instance, small business owners can easily access resources for loans, merchant services, and cash management solutions. Ultimately, Regions.com provides a comprehensive overview of the bank's offerings. Its user-friendly design and focus on digital banking make it a convenient platform for managing your finances. While this video serves as an introductory exploration, further research is always recommended before making any financial decisions. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information.